What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to build $1,000 websites in under 10 minutes. Now, this video is mainly made for people who A, own a business and want to make their own website for super cheap, and B, for people who want to, learn how to build websites so they can sell their services or sell these websites to other people, or C, people who are just kind of interested, trying to learn new things. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best way to build these without knowing how to code, the best way to design these, as well as what really matters when creating a website for businesses or just for personal use. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, hey, do you build apps for people? And yeah, I do. I have an agency. It's called the App Accelerator. It's going to be in the link in the description. It's simple. We build you a done-for-you MVP, minimum viable product, which is just a basic prototype of your app that you can actually sell to people, and a go-to-market strategy where I tell you how to work before launch, during launch, after launch, and actually market your app so you make some money off of it. That's going to be in the description, so you can simply book a call. And if you want to learn how to market apps for yourself, I will have a link in the description for that as well. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing this in Bolt simply because I pay for Lovable. I have a bunch of credits, so I can make a lot of more errors. So I'm just going to try and make it so you guys can do this completely for free. I don't have a Bolt subscription, so this is going to be no money into it. I'm going to build a website right here. So first things first, you're going to need to prompt your AI. Now, a lot of these no-code tools, I've realized, they've made it really easy to prompt. So if you guys want to just one-shot these, it's especially important if you don't want to pay, you've got to make a semi-descriptive prompt. So here, I'm going to say this. So build me a website for my pool cleaning business. I want it to have a blue and white theme, a white background. Add what you guys actually want. So the real features you really do want is you do want a chat bot and you want a contact list at the top of your page so you can capture those leads. So I want a capture form, the hero section. So this is already a good prompt. So just to get more specific, teach you some free stuff about prompt engineering. So usually what you want to do with AI, so if you're talking to a large language model, you say, this is your role. So you are a blah, blah, blah. And you give it a task. So you say, I want you to do this. So I want you to build this website. And then you say, outline the restrictions. And then outline what you want it to do. And yeah, that should be good enough. So I'll say, act as an expert web designer, website designer. Do not make it look like it was made by AI. So I'm going to see how this works. So quick tips. Usually with all these no-code tools, all the websites kind of look the same. I'm going to be honest. They're usually like, gradients of like neon green and blue, or like purple, and like you can clearly tell they use the same exact font every time. So this honestly isn't that bad for a lot of businesses, especially when you're trying to give it to businesses, because this will kind of seem like a good thing to them, since that's how this website looks like and everybody else's looks like. It just looks different. A lot of contractor websites. So let's see. Let's see if I can find one with a bad website. They all kind of look the same, in my opinion, at least. Okay. Let's go to this place. Oh wait, their website was right here. It's actually a pretty good website.
Playing from laptop QKSJBV5S.
That's my Alexa. That's not good. I don't know why that went off. Okay, yeah, this is insane. So imagine you're a customer and you want to learn something. Like you click on this, website, and this is what you see. Like nothing just a number. This really hurts your conversion when people are looking to, because when you're looking for a contractor, you just look at who has good reviews and who is the first one that I can get in contact with. As simple as that. That's why these AI callers are so popular and why like you see a lot of these people selling them for such high tickets. So yeah, see, I mean, this website's really good too. But yeah, I mean, imagine you can sell this level of a website and you make it in, 10, 20, 30 minutes. It doesn't take you that much money either. Looks like Bolt's trying to take its time. So yeah, I'll be back once Bolt is finished. And boom, here you guys go. So here's the completely free website that I just made with literally one prompt. And, for something free, it looks really good. Now, once you're on these paid plans, you can edit them a lot more. You can actually put your own designs in. And one of the highest ticket skills you can have in today's world is actually knowing how to design on Figma. So with all of these no-code tools, you can pretty much code the back end for you, and then you can just insert Figma templates, and you can have your actual full-out designs. And Figma templates have a lot more customization because, let's face it, AI is not really that good at design. So, boom. I mean, this is really all you need for a company website. So, your pool deserves professional care. Capture the lead. Gives you a little bit description of the services. Some reviews. And, one thing you can add is like your case studies, like companies you've worked with in a little slideshow. You can do all this stuff with AI, and you can do it for really cheap. Now, I do recommend you pay for these memberships if you're selling these websites or you're using them yourself, because, I mean, you need to have your own custom domain, and this stuff just doesn't look good right here. And, okay, the chat bot doesn't work, okay. But yeah, I highly do recommend paying for one of these services, so you can either sell these or, do whatever. Now, here's how I recommend you guys package these if you're trying to, sell your services to other companies. So here's two things you can do. Sell websites for $250, $200, something like that. Something really cheap. So why sell it for really cheap if the website is so valuable? One, because, you get a lot more clients if you can sell them for really cheap. And also you could upsell these websites. So I saw someone on YouTube that's doing over $100,000 a month, like $145,000 a month with his website agency, where he builds websites like these for like $250 and then upsells them on, ads and other stuff like other services to help service-based businesses. And that's really what you want to do. You want to upsell ads. That's pretty much the key. You want to get these people on plans where they're paying you like $500, $1,000 to run their ad campaigns, and then percentage of that on the back end, a percentage of their revenue from the ads as well. And then another thing you can do is offer these websites completely for free. Now, this is something I did starting out, an automation agency where I was trying to upsell them on the automation stuff. And it's actually really successful to get your first few clients, especially if you want to build case studies. That's what I would recommend. You guys got to do free work if you want to make some money. So, offer these websites completely for free because they're really easy to make and they look decent. So, and you can get these people on the calls and then upsell them on the automation or the ads, things like that. So, yeah, I mean, these are some quick tips for you guys. Free website builder. And, so in the next coming days, I'm going to release a video about an app I've been building and, something I've been building apps on. Yeah, I've been working really hard on these apps that I've been building. And so, yeah. If you want your apps built for you, check the link below. Check the App Accelerator. If you want to learn how to market your own apps, check Maker Studio. And yeah, follow me on all socials. Check out all my links. And yep, thank you guys so much for watching if you watched through the whole video.